Hello, moms and moms-to-be. Are you preparing for your breastfeeding journey and wondering what essential items will make it easier and more enjoyable? You're in the right place. Breastfeeding is a beautiful and rewarding experience, but let's face it, it comes with challenges. In today's video, we'll cover 5 life-saving breastfeeding items that every mom needs to thrive in 2025. These tools are more than nice-to-haves. They're game changers for comfort, convenience, and your baby's health. From innovative pumps to cozy nursing pillows, you won't want to miss this list. Stick around because at the end, I'll share bonus tips on where to find these products and how to make breastfeeding easier. Before we dive in, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest parenting hacks and product reviews. And if you're already breastfeeding or preparing to, give this video a thumbs up to support other moms like you. Thank you for watching. I hope this list of 5 life-saving breastfeeding items helps make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more parenting tips and product reviews. Sharing is caring. Send this video to a mom-to-be or a friend who's breastfeeding. They'll thank you for it. Until next time, take care, stay hydrated, and cherish these special moments with your baby. See you soon.